Are you looking for ways of how to make money online? Maybe you're looking for a side hustle or a new side gig, something that's affordable, something that's not going to break the bank, and you've been looking at GDI, or maybe you've come across this video. Okay, this is what I call my $10 retirement plan. Okay, this is Global Domains International, or GDI. It's a great company. It's been around 27 years. Better Business Bureau approved, PayPal accepted. All right, very solid company. And it pays you out. This payment structure pays 5 generations deep, which means you earn from other people's efforts. Now, how are you able to do this? If you've tried a business model like this before but didn't succeed, it's because you haven't had the right system and you haven't had the right help. I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How do I help you? Is simple. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos, and I actually send new members as they join below my existing members that have subscribed to my channel and like and comment on my videos. And today is what I'm doing. And you can click below this video anytime and get more information about the business that is the $10 retirement plan. You can start it for a free 7-day trial, so it is virtually risk-free. So at any time, if you want to go below and take a look at the system that we use, okay, the system also guarantees up to 10 paid members placed below you, but that takes time because you're put on a rotator, and as long as you stay active, you'll get those sign-ups, but it's going to take time because there's thousands of people on that rotator, okay? So patience is a virtue. It's a tough virtue to do, though, or to have. But anyways, one thing that is very easy and that you can see is that I try to place a new member below people that like, subscribe, and share on my YouTube channel. If you do that, I try to place one new member below you a month. Now, it depends on how many new members I get, but when you like and subscribe and share on my channel, it helps send the channel out there. So most of the time, YouTube people will ask you to do that because it benefits their channel and they earn more. Or else they ask you to join their team or whatever for a certain price. Well, here you actually are doing that and you're actually benefiting from all of us working together. It's like a YouTube team build, but one that you benefit from. And like today, I'm going to talk about one new member that I'm moving below one of my members. And now we're going to go and, okay, this is one of my highlights of my day, one of my favorite things to do. As you can see, this is my Global Domains International back office, GDI for short. There's my name, Carol Reve. I'm a platinum director here. And now I'm going to move a member. And da-da-da, here's my drum roll. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And the lucky person is Bia, Bia, Bia. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. There's the drum roll for Bia. I'm very excited. And I just noticed as I was moving a person that I got another new member that had joined. So that's exciting. This is exciting. It's my way of helping out. And it's very simple. As I've said before, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. And then as I get new members, I work to try and place one new member below each person on my team that has subscribed to my YouTube channel and they like my videos. Liking them is important. Commenting is important because this way I get to know who is doing this, who is commenting below, and it sends the videos out to more people so that they can see whether they're looking for GDI or whether they're looking for a way to make money online, and how many of us need that. How many of us need help, some extra cash for groceries, extra cash for bills, extra money so you can spend more time with your kids, take your grandkids out to do things, go traveling more with the family. So I'm excited. This is just a brand new YouTube team build that I've just started. My channel's been out here for a while, but I've been in GDI for years. And this is the only company that I would feel comfortable doing with this because I feel good about this company because it's been around 27 years, as I've said before. So I've been in it for many years. Okay. So congratulations, Bia. Go GDI. So click the link below and take a look at the system we use. The system has wonderful resources. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need to know how to set up capture pages. It does it itself. It does all those things. You do need to send traffic to a link, create a backup link, which is just simply putting a banner on a splash page, and then upload your downline report once a week. And then that qualifies you to be able to get up to 10 paid GDI signups. And again, you need to be patient with it though, because it's a rotator. But that you have that in addition to my YouTube channel, what I'm doing on YouTube. So I'm very excited. God bless you. Thanks for watching this video and take care. And again, if this helped you, like, subscribe, and share. Share this with somebody that you know that is looking for ways to make some extra income but need something affordable. And this is only $10 a month. It's pretty exciting. And comment below something that you learned about the video, something that you like. Again, it helps the video, it gets us out there, and then I can bring in more signups and place them down. Everybody that's helping out on the channel. This is our channel, and I appreciate you. Love you guys so much. God bless and take care. Is that a good heart? Can you see that heart? Okay.